Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to find addition of two numbers using pointers. Now let us see how to find sum of two numbers using pointers. Here initially we have declared three variables with a value as 10, b value as 20. So what happens here, with the name a, it allocates 4 bytes of memory. Let us assume its address is 1000. And with the name b, it allocates again 4 bytes of memory. Assume its address is 2000. Address of a is 1000 and address of b is 2000. 10 will be stored in a and 20 will be stored in b. Now we have another variable called c, which is used to store sum of two numbers. Now let us assume its address is 3000. So here 3000 will be stored in c. And here we are creating three pointer variables with the names p. Let us assume its address is 4000, and another variable called q. Let us assume its address is 5000, and another variable called r, and its address is 6000. Okay, now what we are doing here is, now using pointers I want to find sum. So p equal to ampersand a, that is the address of a will be stored in p's memory location. Then q equal to ampersand b, that is the address of b will be stored in q's memory location. Then similarly r equal to ampersand c, that is the address of c will be stored in r's memory location. Now in order to find the sum of two numbers using pointers, what we do here is star r equal to star p plus star q. Now what is asterisk p? That is value at address. Only p means 1000. Star p means value at 1000. What is the value at 1000? 10. Then star q means value at 2000. What is the value at 2000? 20. Then 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is assigned to r's value part. R means 3000. In 3000's value part, it will store 30. The sum of these two numbers will be stored in C. Now display C onto the screen. Printf sum equal to, or C equal to, that is sum of two numbers, /n, comma C. Now with the reference R, we are storing the value in C. Now it displays sum onto the screen. So please watch the complete video. I will show you the alternate method also. It is by accepting from the user. C equal to 30. Suppose if you want to accept the values at runtime. So what is the procedure? In order to accept, so instead of giving the values 10 and 20, I want to accept the values from the user. So in order to accept, ask the user printf enter first number, enter first number, store that value in a variable called a's memory location, scanf %d, comma ampersand a. Generally this is the procedure we use. Now so let me remove this part from here, because this we need to write. Go to the edit mode and paste it. Then similarly enter first number and enter second number, and store in, generally we store in A and B's memory locations. We will store the values. Okay, generally we will store in A and B's memory location. Now what I want is, using pointers I want to store. Ampersand A means address of A. In place of ampersand A, I will use P. That is address of A. Now I will use here Q. Q means address of B. Q means address of B. Then find the sum. C we are displaying onto the screen. Save your program, compile and run the program. Enter first number 11, second number 22, sum is 33. This is how to find sum of two numbers. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.